Plans are created to determine how data is protected. They specify where data is stored, how long it is retained for, and how frequently it should be protected. Plans allow you to simply set up configuration options such as primary storage, retention, backup schedule, RPO, and secondary copy configuration. You can create plans by defining the settings based on the data type requiring protection. To manage plans, from the left-hand navigation pane of the Command Center, click Manage and then Plans. This will display all the plans configured in your environment. The tabs can be used to display them by plan type. New plans can be created using the drop-down in the upper right. Plan rules specify criteria such as server group, region, solution, and tag that Commvault uses to automatically associate and assign a plan to a client. Plans can be deleted using the Actions button and can be managed by clicking the relevant plan name. From the Overview page, you can edit the security configuration, apply tags, enable file search, and specify if the plan details can be overwritten if a client has different requirements to those specified in the plan. You can edit any of the RPO settings, change the time and days backups run on, add additional schedules for job types, adjust the backup windows that specify when jobs can and cannot run, and adjust the SLA rules used to determine if clients have not been protected within the correct time frame. You can configure snapshot options and define the content to be protected at the plan level. And you can specify which solutions are applicable to the plan so you can ensure the correct data types are using the plans that you want them to. The Backup Destination tab shows the configured regions and backup destinations for the plan. This plan has a primary copy, where primary copies of protected data are written to, and a snap copy where snapshot metadata is retained. Clicking the copy name takes you to the copy settings page, where you can enable or disable data aging, adjust the retention settings, and add extended retention rules that allow you to retain specific job types for longer. Additional copies of data can be created by clicking the Add button and selecting Copy. Give the copy a name, select the source copy, select the target storage and copy policy, set the retention, hit Save, and the new copy will be listed. The Associated Entities tab shows the clients associated to this plan. You can change the plan associated by clicking the Actions button, hitting Edit Associations, and selecting the required plan from the drop-down menu.